Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 not launching on PC, but please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel. So let's start. First off, try turning off your antivirus by going to the search box and click Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, and turn off real-time protection. Check if it works, just click yes. But take note that don't leave your antivirus off for a very long time. If that doesn't work, then the next method is to go to the search button again and just type in Device Manager and open this up. Make sure that you have the latest version of your drivers by clicking Display Adapters, and it will show you the driver that you use. Right click on it, click Update Drivers, and click Search automatically for drivers. So it says that the driver has been already installed and in the latest version, and check if yours too. And after that, you will have to run your Forza Horizon. If that doesn't work, then you have to go to the search box again and just type in check for updates. Make sure that the Windows version that you're using is up to date. So here's mine, it's not up to date, so we just have to check for updates and check if your Windows version is also updated. After all of that, try launching your Forza Horizon 5 and see if that works. I hope this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!